M1 Finance Robo-advisor for investing honest review. What you for using? M1 Finance is a unique platform that blends the features of traditional brokerage with the automation of robo-advisor established in 2015 and based in Chicago. It offers a customizable investment experience through its Pi system, allowing users to create a personalized portfolio. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a customizable Pi investing, automated portfolio management, fractional shares, and no management fee. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pro, they offer a high level of customization, a cost-effective, and a fractional investment. And the downside, limited human support, no tax loss harvesting, and learning curve. So the higher degree of customization may be overwhelming for novice investors unfamiliar with portfolio construction. And here the overall conclusion: M1 Financial stand out for its customizable investment option and free structure appealing to self-directed investors comfortable managing their portfolios. However, the lack of human advisor service and tax optimization tools may limit the suitability for those seeking comprehensive financial planning support.